From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish. Ever stood in front of your open fridge, stared at that tall, dark bottle of Worcestershire sauce, and thought, what is this stuff? It's a kitchen phantom. It just appears. Maybe you bought it for one specific recipe, inherited it from your grandma's cupboard, or absolutely needed it for a killer Bloody Mary. But beyond being notoriously hard to pronounce, let's get this out of the way, it's Worcestershire. What's really in that bottle? Today on History of the Dish, we're cracking it open and uncovering the delicious science and the accidental history behind this iconic sauce. Let's dive in. Our story starts in 1837 in Worcester, England, with two chemists named John Lee and William Perrins, who were commissioned by Lord Sandys to recreate an Indian recipe. The initial batch was unpleasant and stored in the basement, and basically said, good riddance. But after a few years, it matured into a delicious condiment that was put on the market. The sauce quickly became famous worldwide, leading Lee and Perrins to form the company of the same name. Thyme is the magical ingredient in Worcestershire sauce. Thyme had transformed that horrible mix into something complex, savory, and incredible. That happy accident in a forgotten barrel was the birth of Leah and Perrins' Worcestershire sauce. So what's the secret formula? It's a fermented party of some unlikely guests. Vinegar is the base, giving it that sharp, tangy punch and acting as a natural preservative. Molasses and sugar bring the sweet, rich balance, so it's not just a vinegar bomb. Salt amplifies all the other flavors. Onions and garlic provide that foundational savory depth. But here's where it gets weird and wonderful. Anchovies. Yes, you heard that right. Those tiny fish are mashed into a paste. But don't panic. Through fermentation, they lose their fishy taste and transform into pure, savory umami, giving the sauce its deep, meaty backbone. Then there's tamarind. This tangy fruit pulp brings a sour, sweet kick that is absolutely essential to that distinctive Worcestershire flavor. And finally, a secret blend of spices, things like cloves and chili, adds the final layer of complexity. But the real star of the show isn't an ingredient, it's thyme. Unlike most sauces, Worcestershire isn't just mixed, it's aged. For months, sometimes years, all these bold ingredients sit together. They break down, mellow, and undergo chemical reactions. The sharp edges soften, and the flavors marry into something harmonious and complex. This fermentation process is what turns a jar of loud ingredients into a symphony of flavor. This classic combo has inspired variations worldwide. There are vegan versions using mushrooms or soy for that umami hit, and in Japan, a thicker, sweeter version is a staple on breaded pork cutlets. So, what's in that bottle? It's a fermented, aged, and perfectly balanced blend of vinegar, sweetness, salt, fruit, and fish, all transformed by thyme into the ultimate flavor enhancer. It was a glorious kitchen mistake that became a global superstar. Thanks for watching. If you have a simple thing you'd like us to explore next, shout it out in the comments below. We'll give you a shout out if we use your idea. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please check out our other channels for more binge-worthy content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time as we unravel the history woven into the smallest details.